First reading, Revelation chapter 15 verse 1 to 4. And I saw in heaven another sign, great and wonderful. 7 angels were bringing the 7 plagues that are the last of all, because they exhaust the anger of God. I seemed to be looking at a sea of crystal suffused with fire, and standing by the lake of glass, those who had fought against the beast and won, and against his statue and the number which is his name. They all had harps from God, and they were singing the hymn of Moses, the servant of God, and the hymn of the Lamb. How great and wonderful are all your works, Lord God Almighty, upright and true are all your ways, King of nations, who does not revere and glorify your name, O Lord? For you alone are holy, and all nations will come and adore you for the many acts of saving justice you have shown. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 98 verse 1, 2 to 3, 7 to 8, 9. Psalm, sing a new song to Yahweh, for he has performed wonders, his saving power is in his right hand and his holy arm. Yahweh has made known his saving power, revealed his saving justice for the nations to see, mindful of his faithful love and his constancy to the house of Israel. The whole wide world has seen the saving power of our God. Let the sea thunder, and all that it holds, the world and all who live in it. Let the rivers clap their hands, and the mountains shout for joy together, at Yahweh's approach, for he is coming to judge the earth. He will judge the world with saving justice and the nations with fairness. Gospel, Luke chapter 21 verse 12 to 19. But before all this happens, you will be seized and persecuted, you will be handed over to the synagogues and to imprisonment, and brought before kings and governors for the sake of my name, and that will be your opportunity to bear witness. Make up your minds not to prepare your defense, because I myself shall give you an eloquence and a wisdom that none of your opponents will be able to resist or contradict. You will be betrayed even by parents and brothers, relations and friends, and some of you will be put to death. You will be hated universally on account of my name, but not a hair of your head will be lost. Your perseverance will win you your lives.